Hello everyone, this is Frank Tapia here and now. I'm gonna be doing a video show you all my DVD unboxing of Christmas Collection. I got this at Dollar Tree for $1. It was 4 months ago, back in March 2020. It says 10 bonus holiday songs and 6 movies on there. As you can see, here's a dog wearing a Santa's hat on it. So, here's the front. The spine and the back. The logo are the same, which includes Time for Miracles, 96 minutes running time, A Christmas Without a Snow, also 96 minutes running time, The Christmas Wife, 75 minutes running time, Liberace Holidays, 27 minutes running time, in color, B&W, The Christmas Visit, 11 minutes running time in color, and The Christmas Visitor, 7 minutes running time in color. It says bonus music, which includes Angels We Have Heard on High. It's released by Echo Bridge Acquisition Corporation LLC. www.echobridgeact.com. Not rated, and it's 310 minutes running time in color and black and white on it. Without further ado, let's get this unboxed. Okay, so here's the front again. The spine and the back. We can open this up. Here's the disc. And there's no inserts on this DVD case. Alright guys, well, comment, like, and subscribe, and then let me know in the comments section below. Alright, bye, and have a happy Christmas in July.